അടുത്തത് ആർട്ടിക്കിൾ 6 ഇൻഡെമിനിഫിക്കേഷൻ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ പരിരക്ഷ. The corporation may, to the fullest extent authorized by law, indemnify any person, present or former officer or directors present or former officer or directors of the corporation, or the personal representatives thereof made or threatened or by be made a party in any civil or criminal activities. Party in any civil or criminal action or proceeding by reason of the fact that or she is or other enterprise in any capacity at the request of the corporation against judgment fines, including excise taxes assessed on such a person in connection with the service to an employee benefit plan, amounts paid in a settlement and reasonable expenses, including attorney's fees, actually and necessarily incurred as a result of such action or proceeding or any appeal therein. Expenses, including attorney's fees, incurred in defending a civil or criminal action or proceeding may, to the fullest extent authorized by law, be paid by the corporation in advance of the final disposition of such action or proceeding upon receipt of an undertaking by or on behalf of such a director or officer to repay such amount as and to the extent that the person receiving the advancement is ultimately found not to entitled to indemnifications or where indemnification is granted to the extent that the expenses so advanced by the corporation exceed the indemnifications to which he or she is entitled. The foregoing right of indemnification and advancement of expenses shall not be deemed exclusive of any other rights to which any person, his or her tested or interested, may be entitled apart from this provision, provided that no indemnifications may be made to or on behalf of any director or officer if a judgment or other final adjudications adverse to the director or officer establishes that his or her act were committed in bad faith or were the result of active and deliberate dishonesty and were material to the cause of actions so adjudicated, or that he or she personally gained, in fact, a financial profit or other advantage to which he or she was so legally entitled. Nothing contained in this provision shall affect any rights to indemnifications of which corporate personnel other than the directors and officers may be entitled by contract or otherwise under the law. അപ്പൊ ഇൻഡിമിനിഫിക്കേഷൻസ് പരിരക്ഷ കോർപ്പറേഷന്റെ ഏതെങ്കിലും ഡയറക്ടർ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഓഫീസർ തന്റെ പദവി മൂലം നിയമ നടപടികൾ ഉൾപ്പെടുകയോ ഭീഷണി നേരിടുകയോ ചെയ്താൽ നിയമം അനുവദിക്കുന്ന പരമാവധി പരിധി വരെ കോർപ്പറേഷൻ അവരെ സംരക്ഷിക്കാം. ഇതിൽ ഉൾപ്പെടുന്നത് കോടതി വിധികൾ, പിഴകൾ, സെറ്റിൽമെന്റ് തുകകൾ, അഭിഭാഷക ഫീസ് ഉൾപ്പെടെയുള്ള ചെലവുകൾ. നടപടി അന്തിമമായി തീരുന്നതിന് മുമ്പ് പോലും ചില ചെലവുകൾ മുൻകൂർ നൽകാൻ കഴിയും, എന്നാൽ പിന്നീട് തിരിച്ചടയ്ക്കേണ്ടതായി വരാം. ദുഷ്പ്രവൃത്തി, ബാഡ് ഫെയ്ത്ത്, വഞ്ചന അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അനധികൃത സാമ്പത്തിക ലാഭം ഉണ്ടാക്കിയതായി തെളിഞ്ഞാൽ ഇൻഡെമിനിഫിക്കേഷൻ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ സുരക്ഷിതത്വം ബാധകമല്ല. ആർട്ടിക്കിൾ 7 കോൺട്രാക്ട്സ്, കരാറുകൾ. The board of directors accept in this bylaws otherwise provided may authorize any officer or officer's agent or agents to enter into any contract or execute and deliver any instrument in the name of and on behalf of the corporation, and such authority may be general or confined to specific instance unless otherwise by the board of directors of this bylaws. No officer's agent or employed shall have any power or authority to bind the corporation by any contract or engagement or to pledge its credit or render it liable procuratorily or any purpose of to any amount. കോൺട്രാക്ട്സിനെ പറ്റിയാണ് ആർട്ടിക്കിൾ 7 പറയുന്നത്. കരാറുകൾ